Okay, today I'm going to show you how to order your signposts up or down with the Loyal Real Estate Sign Installer's smartphone app. Here's the home page when you open up the app. Across the top you have 2 total signs, both are in the field and 0 pending. I point that out now because I'll show you later where that comes into play. Very simple. Up at the top it says order a signpost. Click on the green order, click order a new post for an install, click order delivery if you want to have signs picked up or delivered somewhere, and create a down order if you want to have a post removed. I'm going to order a new signpost. We're going to select the address of the property. You'll see that the GPS automatically makes suggested addresses for you, so you can click that. Kind of do a quick check to make sure that it makes sense on the map. Next stage, choose the sign you want. I'm going to put this sign on there today. Standard arm post. Choose what size post you need. Accessories, if you want a rider, a brochure box, you just click on whatever ones you want. Click them again to take it off. I'm going to add a rider in this case. Go into later. Go to next. Decide as soon as possible is the next available. Or you can make a future date by clicking not before and deciding, hey, I'm going active next Friday. Put the date in there for next Friday. Leave a quick note for any specific instructions you want to give the installer so that we're clear on what you want. This may entail where to put the post, how to get to the property, maybe if there's 2 signs being installed, maybe where the second sign goes, but anything you think that could make your order more clearer to the installer is helpful here. As an example, I'll just say install sign to the right of the sidewalk. Okay, finished your order. Review it to make sure it's accurate. Confirm at the bottom. And then if you're a pay-as-you-go agent, your card will be here, or you can fill in your card each time and pay for your order. If your office pays for it, this will just be bypassed because it will be invoiced to your office at the end of the month. I'm going to hold the order and pay later. Done. Back. And you'll see as this gets updated, there's my order. Now look at the total up top. I have 3 total signposts, 2 are in the field, and 1 is pending installation. Once it's installed, that'll move over to the in-field category. And at any point in time, you can click on this, take a look at the picture as to where it's at. You can order it down. You can order a service call, see the date it was installed just by clicking. Service call, you might want to say, leave a note, wind, and it's done. Here's how to order your sign down in 30 seconds or less with the Loyal Real Estate Sign Installer's smartphone app. Open your app, select the property, click down, enter the close date or whenever date you want it removed, leave a note to pick up whenever, submit removal, and it's done.